Mucemanio wa kiama cia ukaria Kenya itongoretio ni Minista wa ukaria wa ndani Profesa Kithure Kindiki wa njeshi Aden na wa Somalia nimetikiretie kurugura mipaka ya Kenya na Somalia wa ntuko 90 cicitini kenda kwagirithia ugendi na biashara gatagati ka nthi ino ciuciri ya biashara mamagunikaga na kovira na nkitheria kuruta irio nthini ino ni makwirigira gucoka wirani kairi Anthony Kadenya gataririe
high-level consultations.
Nyume ya mucemanio gatigati ka thirikari ya Kenya na ile ya Somalia, mucemanio uria watongoretio ni waziri wa ikaria Profesa Kithure Kindiki na waziri wa ugitiri Aden na gikosi kumanda ya Somalia gitongoretio ni waziri wa ikaria Wandino Mohamed Ali. Thirikari ya Kenya ndine jukiteta garia iria kurugura MWANKA yayo ya gutonya ndine ya Somalia. Itagari lile likirigagirwo kuthithika kile ntuko 90 jijite.
And we have resolved that the border between Kenya and Somalia will be reopened in a phased out manner within the next 90 days effective today.
Kulingana na waziri Kindiki, thirikari kethirwe kirugura MWANKA 3 iria lale mingi kumani na thina nene ya gikundi kia ugaidi kia Al-Shabaab.
Starting with the Mandera-Bulahawa border point, which should be open in the next 30 days. Within another 30 days, meaning 60 days from now, we should be able to open the second border point, which is Liboy Arhar Doble on the Somalia side, and also 90 days from today, we also hope to be able to open a third border point, which is Kiunga Raskamboni in Lamu County. The first border point provides an entry point from the Kenyan side in Mandera County. The second border point provides an entry point from the Kenyan side in Garissa County. And the last border point will be able to provide an entry point from the Kenyan side in Lamu County.
Amweno gukindiki niongerete kuga bakarugura MWANKA ongi omujeru wagutethire witina mbere na uringi biashara MWANKAni wa kaunti Wajia.
We are also in the process of relooking at a possibility of also adding a fourth border point, which will give an entry point into Somalia from the Kenyan side in Wajir County. And that announcement will also be made in the coming days.
Kulingana na mawaziri baba itagalelila kurugura MWANKA ligatetheria nene kirulingi biashara na wetina mbere gatigati kandi ino jere kindi kiakiongagera kuuga ati thirikari ya Kenya ikanyie mitaratara ya kuona visa kienda kuthindia Somalia
in order to ease the movement of people and enhance trade in goods and services. Excellency, the cross-border challenges experienced by communities on both sides of the common border are too complex for one country to address. The invitation will provide a platform for ministers and high-level officials from our two countries to address common challenges, enhance border management and infrastructure, and exchange ideas on border security and management.
We have been able to agree to review the arrangements in place to make it easier for our people to move a bit more freely by relooking at the visa procedures to make sure as much as possible we restore free movement of people and make it easy for people to integrate freely.
Kuma muji muneno Nairobi, Mbeta Anthony Rangi wa Kadenya.